In the heart of the Incan Empire, high in the Andes Mountains, resided the mighty Atahualpa. Ruling over a vast territory, his power was unmatched. His reign, however, was about to be challenged by a man from the Old World. Francisco Pizarro, a Spanish conquistador, had heard tales of the Incan wealth. Lured by the promise of gold and jewels, he led a small force of men across the ocean, their hearts filled with dreams of fortune. The year was 1532. Upon reaching the coast of Peru, Pizarro's men encountered the Incas' peaceful emissaries. A misunderstanding led to the execution of the Incas' representatives, igniting a deadly chain of events. Word of the Spanish arrival reached Atahualpa in Cajamarca. Unprepared for war, he agreed to meet Pizarro in a peaceful exchange. But the Spaniards, armed with guns and horses, had other plans. As Atahualpa entered the courtyard, he was surrounded by Pizarro's men. The Incan ruler was taken prisoner, and a ransom was demanded, a room filled with gold, then silver, until it reached the second story of the building. Pizarro's men worked day and night, filling the room with gold and silver. Yet, it was not enough. The Spaniards, driven by greed, demanded more. Atahualpa, realizing the futility of his ransom, was executed, marking the end of the Incan Empire. News of Atahualpa's death sparked rebellion among the Incas. Pizarro and his men were besieged in Cajamarca. But the Spanish, with their superior weaponry, defeated the Incas and continued their conquest. The conquest of Peru was a turning point in history. Pizarro's actions opened the door for Spanish colonization, leading to the decline of the Incan civilization and the beginning of a new era. The legacy of Pizarro still echoes today, a reminder of the impact of greed and ambition on a once great empire.